Hi, in this video I will show you dark mode not showing error fix on the Facebook. So the process is pretty simple. If you are facing problem of dark mode is not available here, to do this is an error by the Facebook removed this feature from the app, but now they have give the updated version. So you have to click on the update in your Play Store to update the Facebook, or if it's still not working, simply download the Facebook Lite and convert your account to dark mode through that. And other way is that you can simply go to the settings, and from here you have to go to the apps and the notification. And once you will do it, now from here you have to search for the Facebook, and from here you have to go to the storage and the cache and clear your storage from here. And after that, try to use the dark mode on your Facebook. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.